welcome all of you to our food TV channel. It's Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Please like and subscribe. This is one of our videos where we go to Masala Magic, one of the Nepali restaurant in Poland, and it is one of the finest. And so we are going to try and make order the best food over here, and we'll see how does it taste, and we'll rate you. And this is Twinkle Thomas Food TV channel, so please like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching, and it's a warm welcome to all of you. We just ordered an Indian cuisine, and we are going to try some chicken biryani and mutton curry. These are really good dishes in this restaurant, and people are going crazy, and we are so excited to try this amazing food. So let's just wait until it comes. Look at this, we have just ordered a dry naan. This looks amazing. This is chicken biryani. Just look at the toppings, the way they have cut the tomatoes and cucumber, and look at this toppings, and this is chicken. And we have ordered mutton curry, and this is our raita. Now this is the Indian cuisine we are going to try, and we are going to tell you how beautiful it is, and how does it taste. So just taste the chicken. Oh, there is the spiciness till the end. It's zesty. It's like the fresh chicken. It's so beautiful. This smells so beautiful. This is like the herbs, the spices. It smells so beautiful, delicious. You can add a little bit of lemon. It's a right treat. This is so beautiful. Now I'm going to have this raita. This is amazing thing. I love it personally, and let's see how it is. So yeah. This is so delicious. It's curd with chopped cucumbers. You can see pieces of cucumbers and onions slided in with a great masala taste of India. And this is something really awesome to have with your dinner. It's going to be awesome. I'm gonna have one more scoop. This is just amazing. One of the best raita I ever tasted. Okay guys, I'm already in love with this mutton. This is really awesome sweet taste of mutton with a tomato curry, and it is just remaining in my mouth, and it just gives you taste way till the end. It just gives you the taste till the end. It is very 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 good. I'm gonna have it with my chicken curry, chicken biryani, and just it keeps on coming. Really good. Man, this is Kaju Pista Kulfi. It's the dessert. It's so sweet and so delicious. Oh my god, you see, this is a coconut topping on the layer, and it feels so nice. This is this place is so delicious. I think this is one of my guilty pleasures now. Okay, this was one of the good fine kulfi, but I have had a lot better. Believe me, we can have this crunch on the side much softer, and it could be much more sweet and much more delicious, but this is not too bad. I like it. This is a high five. Okay, so friends, I had a lovely dinner today, and now I'm going to go home and have a good sleep. This was very nice, and the food was really good. I enjoyed it. I'm full, and thank you so much. We'll see you on another video, so stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.